Okay, so this question is about front-facing cameras, about notches specifically. Number 1, normal notch. iPhone 10. I guess he's calling this phone a normal notch. Water drop notch, essential phone. The second screen on the back, Vivo Nex. Vivo Nex had the second screen on the back? Didn't it just have the pop-up camera?
Vivo Nex.
I think he's got that mixed up. Was that not a different device that had the screen on the back?
Might
yeah.
be like a Meizu or a Xiaomi or something.
I don't know. Maybe it was the second version of the Vivo Next. I can't remember. But anyway, he's saying screen on the back, so forget about a notch at all. Hole punch in a Samsung. Motorized pop-up, Oppo Find X. And mechanical sliding, which was the Xiaomi Mix 3. I've actually played with a version of all these. Every single one I have used at some point in time. Obviously, I'm going to go with no. Actually. This is actually a tough question now that I think about it, because that's a lot of different implementations. I have kind of come around a little bit on face unlock. I started to like it with the OnePlus 6-ish, around there. Where it was wicked fast. You can go back to that video. I was like, boom, bang. It was kind of really, you don't have to go back to it right now, Will. I'll stay on the list, but people can look it up if they want. And then I kind of got used to it. It became a part of my thing, but I never liked the iPhone implementation because it was the dual stage with the swipe up. But then on the previous version of Samsung, when I cracked it just with the image, I really wish actually Apple would implement a version of it like OnePlus, where you just hold the thing up and it unlocks. It doesn't require the swipe. But if you want this comprehensive, sophisticated face unlock, you need all this tech that Apple has to put in there. And Huawei used to put the same tech, and then they were like, well, it creates a giant notch with the infrared and the beam projection and all that stuff. It's a lot of tech. So I probably would give up face unlock in exchange for a smaller notch or no notch. Now, the motorized pop-up, I didn't mind because I don't use the front-facing camera that much. But there's like a little thing in the back of your head with the moving parts, the durability. What if you did need it? It's a whole extra mechanism on the inside of your phone, which is relatively complicated. You know, out of this bunch, I might take the hole punch. I might take the S10 hole punch. The mechanical sliding was cool, but it's kind of you're constantly doing it. What is it? The Mix 3? Oh, you have a mechanical sliding one there.
The Honor.
Oh, that's the Honor mechanical sliding. Mm-hmm. Let me grab that from you real quick. I'm leaving the frame. It's the first time ever. Okay. This is the... Which Honor device is this? Remind me real quick. We did a video on this? I believe so. So many devices. Honor Magic 2. So this kills the case concept. There's no case for this. You can't really have a case for this. And I guess when you have the motorized pop-out camera, the cases will have to be developed for it as well. What's nice about this is there's no really complicated electronics associated with the exposure of the camera. So you feel like this is going to be more durable in the long run. But it's so addictive, I feel like I would find myself just doing this for no reason. I honestly do not. That's probably my own issue. I'm just going to take the hole punch. It's in the top corner. It really doesn't bug me that much. I think I'll just take the hole punch. If I don't take the hole punch, I'll probably take the motorized thing. The second screen just messes with your brain a little bit. You feel like it kind of feels like too much in exchange for how often you even need to take a picture of yourself. Feels like overkill. The motorized pop-up I could probably deal with. You still get some cases that could be developed for it. I'm gonna cop out and go with any of those three. I'll take the hole punch in the corner, not in the center. I'll take the mechanical sliding if I absolutely don't need a case, and I'll take the motorized pop up if I want a little bit of both and I really don't need to pop it out that frequently. That's where I'm going to go.